Hello, welcome to the tutorial video of the Kernel G Suite Backup tool. Kernel G Suite Backup will take the backup of all the G Suite data, like Gmail or business, contacts, your calendar entries, upcoming appointments, your chat history, from the Google Hangouts, etc. When you open the software, you can see the Add button in the home screen. Click it. Alternatively, you can choose to download the sample CSV file to fill the G Suite data. Then you can import the same CSV also. If you click the Add button, then in the G Suite login page, the tool requires the G Suite account address, service account ID, and P12 key. The tool provides you proper assistance to access the service account and generate a P12 key. You can read it. After filling the details, you can choose between a single mailbox or multiple mailboxes, depending on the number of mailboxes. After choosing the single mailbox option, click Add. But to add multiple mailboxes, you need a super administrator account. Add it and click Get User Mailboxes. It will enlist all the G Suite mailboxes under the super administrator account. Then click Add. In the next window, click Set Filter and Migrate button. The filter selection page has multiple filters for choosing important data. There is Date filter, Type filter, Save all data hierarchy into a separate folder, skip previously migrated items, etc. Apply the required filters, and click I am OK, Start Migration. Choose the most suited output format, and then click OK. Now, browse the saving folder for the destination file and click OK. The migration will start and complete in the minimum time. Click OK at the message that appears to show that process is completed. The final act to perform on the tool is to save the backup report in the CSV format. At last, click OK and close the app. Thus the G Suite backup is done. Thank you for watching the video. For more details, please visit our website. Have a nice day.